Alright you guys, we are back. I told you, you saw the tuna fabrication, that beautiful yellowfin tuna loin, that big juicy yellowfin tuna loin. There's our tuna right there, the yellowfin tuna, aka the ahi tuna. I told you I was going to do tuna like 8 different ways. Here's part 1. Here we go. Over here, already started. We got our fresh vegetables. It's important to have some good vegetables. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, I'm showing you a quick meal that anybody can do. Takes about 10 minutes or so. I've got our beautiful yellowfin tuna. I'm doing a mixture of Kerrygold butter, duck fat, and minced garlic. We have the Terramana with lime in the glass representing. That's right, that's right. And I have some rice that's already ready. I'm just going to finish heating it up. And so just like that, let's fire this thing up. So for tuna, you want it like mid-rare. We're not doing anything crazy as far as cooking it for a long time. When you cook beautiful tuna, it happens fast. It all comes together fast. So you want to make sure you start your vegetables ahead of time. I wanted to show you guys an idea for something you could do if you love fish. I love fish. It's super healthy for you. It's a good way to maintain a well-balanced diet, to eat some fish, get those good omega-3s, especially if you can get a wild caught. I'm Chef Bravo, or Brandon Ireland, by the way, U.S. Navy veteran. I'm also a captain and chef, avid outdoorsman. I want to share with you guys some of these recipes, and hopefully you'll enjoy it with your families. So, tonight's recipe is going to be pretty simple. Like I said, we have our Kerrygold, our duck fat, and our garlic coming together. Himalayan sea salt and Mediterranean sea salt mixed together. Okay, I'm going to salt and pepper these, fresh cracked black pepper. No. That's right, going ahead and get that ready. Everything ready for us. Beautiful. Turn down the heat just a bit. Okay, we're doing some fresh ground ginger. Rub that puppy in. Flip. Peek. You guys can use any good quality sea salt that you have. I like pink Himalayan and Mediterranean sea salt. So had a little bit of pink Himalayan left over in the grinder. Needed to refill it, so now it's got a little bit of a mix. I shook it up. It's got a little bit of both worlds in there. Okay. Yes. We talk about the love. We talk about the love all the time. Getting all that seasoning, nothing goes to waste. Getting those edges, and just like that, we're going in. Beautiful. Also for our vegetables, the leg crusade, steaming them bad boys up. Right here, we have a beautiful half of a clementine baby seedless orange. So this little baby clementine is super sweet. It's beautiful. You can see here what the inside looks like a little bit closer. I have some cut up with some lime to squeeze over the top of this as a garnish at the end. So what we're going to do is we squeeze this right over. Right over the top. And get that right into that beautiful mixture of Kerrygold butter. Squeeze them right out. Let those clementines come right out. See that? Come right out into there. Beautiful. Everything's right in there. keep in mind when you're doing this, when you're cooking fish, if you guys are down south somewhere where you can get beautiful mahi, that's a great fish, cooks up really fast. I love mahi. We're here in Texas, so once again, looking at what you have in the house, in-house ingredients, and going ahead to work with them. I was thinking about doing tuna all these different ways. Came across this beautiful loin, and have like tuna for weeks now, maybe months. Okay, just like that. You don't want to go too long, but you want to just check it, keep an eye on it. Beautiful, beautiful. And the flip. You gotta watch the tuna when you're doing this. You don't want to overcook it. Tuna doesn't take much at all. Okay. Watch your veggies. Turn down the heat on those. Cooked a bunch of rice the other day, so just gonna go ahead, put that on, get that popping. And so come on in here. This smells amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Beautiful. This tuna loin is so beautiful. If you haven't seen the video yet, big, beautiful Yellowfin tuna loin fabrication with Chef Bravo. Check it out on my channel, Bravo Unlimited. This is almost done already. Just the finishing touches. Like I said, you want it about mid-rare. The vegetables are pretty much finished steaming. You see me doing this right here. It's unedited. This whole thing can come together in about 10 minutes. Take you about 15 minutes total time, prep time to get all this stuff together. And just like that, you got dinner. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off that heat. Gonna turn off that heat there. That was just a couple of minutes. Already good to go. Already good to go. Always keep a kitchen towel handy or an oven mitt. The Le Creuset cast iron skillets are beautiful, but beware of the heat, baby. Beware of that heat. Beware of that heat. Everything's finishing up. Alright, you guys, come on in, see this beautiful tuna. It's finishing, everything is off the heat. It's that beautiful, lightly seared yellowfin tuna in baby clementines, duck fat, Kerrygold, beautiful Kerrygold butter, and minced garlic. Our broccoli's ready, our steamed broccoli. Our rice is about to finish. So, I'm gonna go ahead. I'll see you guys in a minute with the plate up. And just like that, here we go. The beautiful yellowfin tuna, cooked in duck fat, Kerrygold, beautiful clementine juice. We got some clementines on the side, a lime to squeeze over the top, beautiful steamed broccoli with cheese, jasmine rice. We have our terramana. Oh yeah, the reposado. There it is right there with a little slice of fresh lime and some lime juice. I hope you all enjoyed this. This is just the first step. What I'm going to do with that big old beautiful tuna, yellowfin tuna loin. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support. We're out here in Texas making some beautiful tuna. There's more beautiful things to come. If you found value in this, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Hit it right now. Smash that bell. Tell all your friends. Until next time, I'm Chef Bravo. Respect and love.